Hello guys, welcome back to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make chicken wet fry. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. For this recipe I've used a half a chicken, then I'm going to add in some salt and ginger and garlic paste, but you can also add spices of your choice. So I didn't want much spices on it, that's why I used garlic and ginger and just salt to marinate in. So you're going to rub the garlic and ginger paste on the chicken. Make sure you rub it well so that all the parts can get the ginger and the garlic. After that, you're going to let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes or more, but I was in a hurry, that's why I did 15 minutes. Then in a pan, you're going to heat up some oil. We'll start by frying some onions. I've used one red onion, so you're going to fry it until translucent. Then you're going to add in some chicken pieces. So I'm going to fry the chicken with the onions until half cooked, and make sure you keep on turning the chicken so that it won't get burnt. Frying this chicken will take about 10 to 15 minutes and it will be ready. As you can see, my chicken is half cooked, so I'm going to add in some tomato puree and fry with it for about 5 minutes. I forgot to capture the part that I added some little water and let the chicken simmer for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add in some salt and garam masala. I've used a half a teaspoon of garam masala, but you can add as much spices as you wish. Then I'm going to let that cook for a while. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to add in some veggies. I've used carrot and green bell pepper, so you're going to mix that well and let it cook for the next 2 minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add in some coriander leaves, and at this point your chicken will be ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching video, and I'm sure you've learned some few things on how to make wet fried chicken using few ingredients. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share. Until next time, bye.